Okay. All right. I'm gonna start with this. So we can merge this. All right. Clearly, we are bearish. Okay. However, around this area, we found support. Okay, on this day. This level is key. But overall, we are bearish. But we are deep in discount. Very deep in discount. Now, what I feel like could happen today is it's just gonna be a little like tough day because I don't have a clear direction, because we are at the moment at this key level, value area low of this day, but also on the other hand we are dropping down. So I'm gonna take a bet and trust this downward move, and I'm gonna trust that the price is gonna drop, because the POC of each cash session, so this was on 12, 13 and 14, sorry, and then we have the 17th, which is about to start in 4 minutes. You're getting very slow voice. Is it good now? Let me know if it's good now. Little better. Okay, how about now? Okay, it should be very good. Okay, so where were we? Here. Now, I want to be sellers. I want to be a seller somewhere around here. This is a key level, value area high of the previous cash session. However, if I want to look for longs, price is around here right now. And I think if you can push that up to this level here, that would be perfect. And then we have this level here, the POC, which is also key level. However, if I want to look for buys, this area is important. So I feel price is going to drop lower. That's the bias for now, because we're continuously making these lower lows. But it is quite possible that we push up. We have the point of control here as well, so I want to mark that out as well, because it can present us with a good setup. Right now we are here, so I'm going to draw the markings from the other chart. Now we did tap into this level here. So what I'm going to do is make the POC purple, so it's not annoying. Oops. Okay, cool. And red is the value area. And then we have another POC here. And then we have the buying zone down there. All right, we are set. So setting level, POC, setting level, POC, buying level, buying level. Market opens in 1 minute, so we're gonna wait. Ideally, I want the price to tap this level, potentially then reverse down. That could be the play. I'm gonna go here and change this to 60. Plot zone, minimum size, let's keep it 9. All right, I think I'm gonna change this to text. Looks good now. Also looking at price action, we are clearly respecting this volume imbalance, right? We are pushing down. We have this daily low that could be the target, because, and we also left behind these equal highs on the daily time frame. So I feel like the draw is down there because we have equal lows here. So it's very likely that price for the next couple of days push down. Okay, it's definitely possible. So the market has opened. So I'm gonna go here, reset the chart, and see what happens. Right now, this is the market open. We have the selling level here, and also I want to draw out the volume profile of the entire day. So it's gonna be, oops, till, all right. I'm gonna hide this for a second. Coming from value area high. All right. Then we have everything lined up. We have this balanced profile. Not enough big orders coming in. I'm not sure why. Do we have any high impact news today, guys? Can you guys let me know if there's any high impact news? So a lot of sellers around this area, a lot of buying coming in, sellers getting absorbed. Oh wow, this is aggressive buying coming in right now. But I don't want to touch this price unless we break above. Okay, we are at POC level. We are reacting off of this aggressive selling zone. We got some aggressive buys coming. 204 buys here. That is ridiculous, dude. This could be a short position right here, I'm not gonna lie. If we close below these levels, which is 24663, 24663, 24663, right here, looks very shortable. Okay, hold up. Okay, we couldn't break below this level. So there were like crazy absorption of buyers here. If you can get a close below this level, I might be interested in a short position. I'm not gonna lie. We're coming from this selling level, and the bias is bearish. We are also respecting this aggressive selling delta level, which is interesting to notice. A closure below these aggressive sellers that got absorbed might be nice. Okay. 204 buyers here. They got absorbed completely. So okay, more buyers coming in here. Will they be able to break above this level? 67 buyers. They got absorbed once again, guys. I'm looking at this shit, and this is looking like a nightmare for buyers unless we break above the levels. We have these aggressive sellers around this area, so I want to mark that out as well. We are pushing up right now. We have the point of control up here. Just want to make sure. There's a POC level here, so I don't want to long or short. I want to short here because that is a key level. If I go here, you can clearly see that we are almost approaching the point of control, if I'm not wrong. Yes, we are right here, so maybe we test it. Okay, we have tested the point of control level, and let's see what kind of reaction we get from here. It's going to be interesting. There's 171 buyers getting absorbed at the moment. And these aggressive buyers, if price can close below these aggressive buyers, then of course that would mean that okay. We can look for longs, but right now we have this aggressive selling level up here. So it just really depends what happens here at this POC level. I need some aggressive sellers coming in telling me what they want to do, and then I can make my decision. So 170, 204, 67, 47, they got a follow through here. They did get a follow through here. Right now it's looking like the buyers are looking in control at the moment. We cannot long or short as of now because we are inside this range. So perhaps if we can like break above this zone, that would be nice. We got some sellers getting absorbed here. If these sellers get absorbed, I might get in a long position. If candle closes here, that's going to be a long for me with 2 contracts. But if they get a follow through, then no shot I'm going to take a long position. All right. Once one pod got a follow through, one didn't, so it's risky at the moment. We don't want to do anything as of now. We got this level here where the sellers are trying to step in. It's a bit tricky because we broke above this POC, we got a retest. So overall it's kind of looking bullish, I'm not gonna lie. So this level here is important as well. So I'm gonna mark that out. This selling level. I might get in a long position if we close above these aggressive buyers. Okay, no. It's not a good trade. We'll have to be a little patient here. Crazy buying coming in. I was expecting a bearish bias, but that's the thing. You're not like predicting, you're just reacting. This level here is very important. This is like decision level, so if we break above this level aggressively, then I'd be interested. I'd also be interested if you can get a pullback to the value area low. This breakout was pretty interesting, I'm not gonna lie. Could have caught it, but we had this range that got broken. So if we come back to this level, we can look for absorption of sellers, look for buys. But here I want to just chill for a bit. Let's check the hourly time frame, see what's going on. We have swept the 8 a.m. high. Oh boy, we're pushing higher. That's a crazy candle, guys. Insane stuff. We are approaching our key level. If you can break above this level with aggression, could be a buy opportunity. Now we are seeing first sign of absorption of buyers here. So around this level, meaning that there are some players sitting here. I'll make sure everything is great. Okay. Buyers did get absorbed here. These aggressive buys here are the problem. If I want to look for a short, of course, I would need to see these buyers getting violated. Then we have this level as well, where previously the buyers got absorbed. And that's exactly where we saw absorption of buyers again. We got an aggressive sell candle coming in. So we can probably remove this for now. Use this as our volume profile. Okay, we are building a P-shaped profile by the looks of it. Yep, there's a lot of volume down here as well. 100 buys coming in here once again. Crazy absorption going on. 100, 45, 42, 49. That is crazy. If you can get a close below 24747, 24747. Okay. Not yet. We need a bit more confirmation. Need to see price close below this level that are marked out. This here where the aggressive buyers are present. So all these buyers at the moment, they're not getting a follow through. But if you can close below these aggressive buys here, I would be really interested in taking a shot, I'm not gonna lie. We got more buyers coming in, 60 contracts. The question is, do they get a follow through? If not, alright, we got 60 buyers getting absorbed once again, which is crazy. 24747. Let's see if you can get it close. Alright, I think I'm gonna get in. That's a short position. I'm gonna put my stop right above the high. Let's go for 1 to 2. Come on, come on. We need absorption of buyers. Come on. Really need to see price close below this level. Okay, we got this as our break-even zone. If we can get a close below that, then we should be good to go, honestly speaking. Alright, pushing down nicely. Alright, we can move our stops to break even at this point. We are break even. No point in holding the risk because we got these aggressive level, this aggressive buying level here that I was looking at right now. And if this level holds, then price could reverse. So not taking any risks. The entry is around here. Going for 1 to 2. A good partial zone could be right here if you want to take it. I mean, no one's stopping you. I'm just like always going for home runs, 1 to 2, no like partial or anything, but sometimes if you think that, okay, you should take a partial, then do it. Don't always follow my risk management. One good news, we got inversion, so we should melt down. There was one risky move here. It didn't completely close below this, but from what I saw here, I just felt like that we're gonna push lower. So now we got absorption of sellers coming in here. are we in the discount? Yes, we are in the value area low right now. We got this level, which looks a bit strong, but if I use the entire volume profile, the target, first thing first, we have the POC here, so hopefully the buyers just don't step in out of nowhere from here. Wouldn't be nice. But you're allowed to close out if you're in profit. Because the thing with these 1 to 2 trades is that like it's a miss or hit, so it can reverse, it can go to full TP. But if you're in profit, in a positive profit, like not 1 to 0.8, but like 1 to 2, 1 to 5, it's always a good play. So now this level, we broke below this level, and now price came back and retested this level, and buyers are now getting absorbed at the moment. So this POC level is important. So if you can break below this level, the next stop is going to be the value area low down there. Beautiful absorption here. That's what I love to see. Okay, we got aggressive sells coming in. 119 sells. These have to get a follow through, otherwise it's going to be a little sad. So I hopefully they get a follow through. This level here had a... Okay, we're pushing down. Almost near the TP. Alright. Done, baby. Let's freaking go. Can I get W's in the chat? Such a beautiful trade, bro. I was locked the fuck in. I just